What's going on today, everybody? Splace Cards here. I'm waiting on a couple packs of Panini Score and Panini Prizm draft picks to come in, but I want to go ahead and create a quick video for y'all. Picked up a couple sets today. Picked up one of these Chronicle draft picks. Don't know if you guys can see that. And then picked up one of these Pro Set draft football as well. So I want to go ahead and open these up. Now, don't know which one I want to start with. Hit the like button if you want me to go ahead and start with this. No, just kidding. I'm going to go ahead and open this pack up here. And let's see what we got. Now, I've had some success with these in the past. They're typically hit or miss. So we'll see if there's anything good in this one. Yeah, see, so it's going to come with, try to get a better picture, your typical draft picks coming out this year. So let's see here. Bryce Young, CJ Stroud, Quinn Ewers, Caleb Williams, Trevion Henderson, Chris Olave, Garrett Wilson. I've got a lot of these in previous packs as well, so that's why I'm not taking all too much time with them. Kenneth Walker III, I think he's going to be a stud in Seattle. Kenny Pickett. Okay. Now these are going to be the autos. Let's see what we got. Keyshawn Silver, defensive line. Sincere McCormick, running back. That's it. Okay. It's just the two autos in this pack. Definitely had better packs in the past, but set those to the side. And then I'm hoping that this Panini's Chronicle is going to have some better cards in there. I've definitely heard of a lot of people breaking good packs in there. So, again, go ahead and break this open. So it's saying 4 blaster exclusive rookies or legacy rookies, base or parallels. Let's see what we got in here. Sorry about the video as well, guys. I'll definitely work on this so that in the future it's not as terrible. It's my first time. I'm trying, right? Okay. Get some of these out of the way. And let's see what we have in here. 6 packs per box. 4 cards per pack. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs total. Get Justin Herbert out of the way. That's left 6 packs. Which one should I start with? Go ahead and just grab the middle one. Don't want to hurt anything on the inside. Ooh. Read a name that I wasn't necessarily okay. There's a, oh, that's a crazy card. Joe Montana, Notre Dame. That's really a cool card. Love this one. This one's going immediately into a case. Jameson Williams, rookie. Chronicles. I think he's going to be an absolute stud. Get that immediately in a case. Nice Recon Brees Hall rookie card. Put that in here. Solid. Number 17. Ooh, that's a fire pull. DK Metcalf, rookie. Rookies and Stars. Guess I can start putting them down in front so you guys can get a better look. And then you can see a couple scratches on this one already, but Drake London, rated rookie. It's fire. Okay. Go ahead and open pack number 2. I'm going to try not to look at any names on the back of these so I don't spoil it. Ooh. Jahan Dotson. Him and Terry McLaurin. These studs over in Washington, I think. Yo, shut the fuck up. Jerome Bettis. Hall of Fame Pittsburgh Steeler. Another one. This is like my 3rd or 4th Kenny Pickett rookie card. Ooh, just watching this guy the other day. Oakland Raiders, Zamir White. College ticket. Number 22. I'm going to go ahead and get all these in cases after the video, just so I can keep getting through these packs for you. I'm going to look away so I don't spoil any cards in the back here. Oh, that's a good one. Sam Howell, UNC. Prestige. Another one. Don Russ, DK Metcalf, rookie. It's the second DK we've got in this break. Oh, that's funny. Currently live in Jacksonville and got a Mark Brunell. Ooh, this could be crazy. Look at this. A Malik Willis Legacy rookie. Another one. Jameson Williams Legacy rookie. Ho ho ho, whoa. Number 6. Jerry Rice. That's insane. Crazy. All right, we're halfway through these. Come on. Look at the cards and spoil what's here. Kayvon Thibodeau, New York Giant. I think he's going to be an absolute stud. That's a fun card. Cam Newton, Auburn. This is good looking card. Dang. Number 9. Matt Corral. And that quarterback battle in Carolina. Rookies and Stars. Carson Strong. Number 4. That's a beauty. Another Drake London. Pretty card. Alright, 2 more packs, y'all. Also, while I'm opening this, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know different packs that you want me to go ahead and open. Definitely open to different sports, basketball, soccer. I know there's a bunch of UEFA people out there. But let me know what else you want to see, and I'll be happy to break packs for y'all. This is a good-looking card. Another Chris Olave. This looks like that Matt Corral. Put Sam Howell. There's Breece Hall. Rookies and Stars. And then Boomer Sooner. Jalen Hurts. All right, last pack. Comment down below who you want me to see and break in this pack here. We've had some pretty good hits so far, but let's see. Icing on the cake. Ooh, that's an interesting one. Maybe one of y'all out there will want this. Taysom Hill, BYU. Yeah, some of you might not know he was a quarterback before. Joe Namath. Alabama. Ooh, my guy. JJ. Justin Jefferson. Rookies and Stars. Nice. And then another Isaiah Spiller. I have another one of him here. Isaiah Spiller. Cool. All in all, y'all, it's a pretty good break. Have a couple more packs coming in the next few days, so go ahead, comment down who you want to see in the future. Like the video, subscribe. Make sure you don't miss out on any videos in the future. I appreciate y'all. Have a great day. Take care.